I believe it would be helpful to remove the rearview mirror before we get started. Not that I don't thoroughly enjoy looking at myself in the mirror, but this might be one of those instances where I might just be in the way a little bit, so do a little bit of this sort of thing here. We'll use a little pry tool, get underneath here. There's just a small little tab right here. I'll set this out of the way. This bracket here is going to drop down through the slot here. We're going to need to center the bracket. Marked my holes. And you want to be careful not to go down too far, otherwise you'll hit the radiator. So we're going to use the two pan head screws. They're going to attach this bracket under the dash here. This bracket that mounts these three holes down here, countersunk. Make sure you've got the screws going through in the proper way so that they sit flush. So we're going to leave it a little bit loose, and then we're going to get the upper piece installed. We have these parts and pieces here. You've got your spacer will slide under the dash here over that hole. This piece here spreads the load across the bracket a little bit better, and then the bolts goes down through it all. And then you've got to kind of line it up with the hole, get your Allen wrench and get it screwed into place. Kind of concludes all the pieces that go on there. Finish securing some of this stuff. There's just a little screw that holds this bracket in place, and this slides in to retain those pieces. You take your mount that you want to install, loosen up these little tab pieces, slide these in one end, now locate it where you want. What else we got to put on here? Undo the little screws for this, and then tighten those screws back down. The end bracket will slip back into place. The little screw retains that little plastic bit.